Have you noticed when you're using Google, you're now getting the AI overview instead of your search results at the top? Well, if you're concerned about your online security, especially having your account connected to your Google search, I'm going to show you how to keep your information private. First, in your browser, we're going to open up an incognito window in Google Chrome by clicking on the three dots at the top right, and then select New Incognito Window. As you can see, we're not signed in, so anything else I do now in my Google search will not be connected to my account. Okay, and this is the search right as I was showing you. When you type in, by default, all is selected, which means that the AI overview will show up. You can go to AI mode if you would like to get more information by interacting with AI. Or if you want to not use AI, click on More, or at the top you'll see Web. Once Web is selected, you'll have an old-fashioned search without AI. And with incognito, your information will be hidden. For more tips and simple steps, visit my YouTube channel and subscribe.